Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I'm going to be working on a couple of different do-it-yourself remedies. One is a Mozzie Repellent and the other is flypaper. My son, who is joining us today, has asked me to make something specifically for mozzies and flies, so we're going to try these recipes and let you know how they go. So to begin with, we'll do the Mozzie Repellent. And the Mozzie Repellent is 1 part pennyroyal essential oil, 1 part eucalyptus oil, and 1 part lavender oil to 3 parts of a moisturizer, or you could use olive oil. So we're going to go with a moisturizer. So I'll get my son to do 1 part. Start with a teaspoon. I think that's a small enough amount to give it a try. So 1 part each of the essential oils to pour in there, while I do 3 parts of a moisturizer. And I'm using light moisturizer today, while my boy there struggles with the child-proof eucalyptus oil lid. And I'll just take the top off the lavender oil. Or do you do that one? Well, I'll probably have to take the top off that one too. So just get these little pliers and kind of lift the Duvalaki out. That way there we can pour, because we could drip, but that'd take forever. Alright, let's swap. You do that one, I'll do this one. Teaspoon in there. Some lids are harder than others to get out, of course. There we go. I'll do that. Thank you. Another teaspoon of pennyroyal. Ooh, it smells interesting. It's kind of like dirt. It smells like dirt. Weird. Oh, essential oils all over myself. Alright. Scrape off the moisturizer. Alright, give that a mix, young man. Watch out. Alright, give that a whisk. It smells disgusting enough that if I was a Mozzie I'd hate it. Let me just have a look. Okay. That's looking good. Let's see how the oil in there. Let's have a smell. All I smell is the pennyroyal. It's quite strong. Alright, now we apply some of this to ourselves. Do hands and arms. And we'll go out and give this a test in a little while and let you know how it goes. But moving on to the next one. Flypaper. Let's put some essential oil there. Let's cover that. So flypaper. To make flypaper, we start with a tablespoon of castor oil. And to that we add a tablespoon of honey. I've always wanted to make traditional flypaper, so this will be interesting. Close enough? Okay, then we heat this on a stove. Just grab that knife and scoop that out. Okay, so I'm going to put this on a stove, just on a low heat, a gentle warm, until the honey dissolves and it all amalgamates. And while we're doing that, let's us prepare the paper. So it says to use any old brown paper, and I didn't have any, except for some like tiny lunch boxes. They might do, lunch bags. Actually, I know what I'll do with them. Yes. I can open them up on the side. This knife has. So open them up on the side and kind of make them long like fly paper usually is. What we do is we'll hole punch the tops and thread some string through both to make like a hanging hook thing. Probably should get you to do the threading with your better eyesight, but I've got it in the end. I'll just go check on that. Just check that's hot. Doesn't amalgamate that much, but and as for the honey, it says that you could also use something like treacle or malt or another type of syrup, anything sort of sticky and yummy that the flies will like. And there we go, yep, beautiful. So now we dip the paper in. Let me go first. All the way in. Turn it around and we'll do the other side. Move that out. Just sort of hold it there because I'll keep it hanging above the pot. So the next step is to hang the paper above the pot to let the excess dry and cool. And then we'll hang this near an open window and see if the flies get attached to it and stuck, which is what's meant to happen. Alrighty, I'll just put that there. So this is how to make fly paper, pot is hot, and how to make our Mozzie Repellent. We'll do a little bit of experiments and come back to you with regards to how successful we are. And in the meantime, thank you for watching. Okay, so now we're going to test the Mozzie Repellent. I'm here in this corner where usually lots of mozzies live in the crevices and such. I'm going to move a few things, see if I can get them to come out and just see what happens. Oh, look at this. Wow, 50 billion, can you see? Now I'd be just really curious to know, do they land on us? Do they run away? So far we're not getting bitten. Funniest science experiment ever. Mythbusters epic fail. Okay, so no mozzies came and bit him, so that's a good sign. But I will drop some comments below and let you know how it goes long term. And again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video.